I don't think I will be able to sleep anymore tonight. Was that Iris girl really a ghost? It just doesn't make any sense.
Ready.
Morning. Let's begin the attendance, everyone. Serena. Abigail. Jones.
What's wearing you?
Wendy. Leonardo.
Ready.
Simon. Travis. Shota. Shota? Hey, Shota, wake up. School has started. See, this is what happens when you kids spend all night playing video games. How am I not surprised? Valentina, late as usual, I see. You may take a seat in the front row. Okay, class. Today we are going to start our final term projects. You may work in pairs or in groups of 3. You may also choose your own groups. That being said, however, since Valentina is always late to class, and since Shota is always sleeping in my classroom, you two will have to work together on this project.
I think my brain just committed suicide.
Rest of the class may form groups and begin working now.
Savage move by the teacher.
Yes. What's wearing you? Swear it down. You better really say.
Honestly, Valentina hates everyone.
Good morning!
Twitter. Mary, Marxist. Malice.
It was raining like crazy, and we went to this old abandoned house. I guess you can say we had a really weird experience.
Didn't ask, don't care.
Anyways, how was your weekend? Okay, fair. Honestly, I never really liked projects that required going to a library. It's just too quiet for me to study there. Plus, we have technology and all of the information right at our fingertips. So I don't really get the point. Don't you think it's a little weird that our library is disconnected from the rest of the school? I read that it used to be something else entirely before they turned it into a library.
Wow, what a revelation.
I'm just saying, it's supposedly older than the school. And there are rumors about...
Oh, let me guess. Haunted, right? Because of course you'd bring that up. And there's no such thing as ghosts, you idiot.
You're just impossible.
Alright, I think I can start researching this aspect. You can handle the historical part, right?
Handle? You know that the biggest history enthusiast in our class is literally...
Sorry, I was talking to that other, much more competent and less annoying ghost in this library.
Valentina. I would never say something like that to anyone, even if I despise them. Unbelievable.
Just like pretty much everything that comes from your mouth, eh?
You know what? That's fine. I'm just going to go find another book for research. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it's called people walking, you know. Happens all the time. Truly groundbreaking.
Ah, why did I even ask?
Hey Dunderhead, we don't have all day, you know.
Would it kill you to not sneak up on me?
Oh, my bad. I didn't realize other people walking was terrifying for you.
Can you just chill? I'm trying to focus. Research takes time, you know. Besides, I always do a good job with my work, and you of all people should know that.
And I do a far better job. Look, I don't want to work with you. I don't want to talk to you. And I definitely don't want to deal with whatever weird paranoia you've got going on. I just want to get this over with before I start hating you even more.
Whoa, hate. You know that's pretty extreme, right? I can't even recall a reason for you to dislike me, let alone hate me for no reason.
One day, people are going to stop humoring you. They'll see you for what you really are, a paranoid mess. I hate you. Literally hate you. So just shut up and do your work.
That really stings. What? Wait, what?